Winter, a season of profound atmospheric transition and stark natural beauty, emerges as temperatures plummet, reshaping landscapes and influencing weather patterns with frost, snowfall, and dynamic ecological changes. Water, once fluid and free-flowing, transforms into intricate crystalline structures and shimmering formations of ice, reflecting the profound atmospheric shift. Snow and freezing rain, these captivating phenomena, are testaments to the power of nature's alchemy. They blanket the world in white, creating scenes of breathtaking beauty. But beneath their allure lies a fascinating scientific tale, a story of temperature gradients, atmospheric conditions, and the remarkable properties of water. Join me as we delve into the science behind these winter spectacles. We will uncover the secrets of their formation and learn how to stay safe amidst their icy embrace. High above us, in the frigid reaches of the atmosphere, a snowflake's journey begins. It starts as a humble vapor floating unseen in the vast expanse of the sky. Water vapor, invisible to the naked eye, dances in the air, moving gracefully with the wind currents. As temperatures drop below freezing, a magical transformation occurs. The vapor begins to cool and condense, setting the stage for a wondrous change. Tiny particles like dust or pollen act as ice nuclei, providing the essential foundation for the snowflake's birth. These minuscule platforms provide a surface for water vapor to transition directly into ice, a process known as deposition. This is where the true magic begins. Water molecules, drawn to these nuclei, begin to arrange themselves in a six-sided pattern, creating the initial structure of the snowflake. This hexagonal symmetry, a hallmark of ice crystals, dictates the snowflake's intricate shape, each one unique in its design. Temperature plays a crucial role in shaping these delicate structures, influencing their complexity and beauty. Intricate fern-like branches form in colder conditions, creating stunningly detailed patterns. While simpler designs emerge in warmer temperatures, each snowflake tells a story of its journey through the atmosphere. As the snowflake grows, it becomes heavier. It embarks on a graceful descent through the atmosphere. Along its journey, the snowflake encounters varying temperatures and humidity levels. These atmospheric fluctuations influence its growth. The snowflake may collide with supercooled water droplets, which freeze upon contact, adding to its size. The snowflake's journey is a delicate balancing act. If the air is too warm, it will melt. If the air is too dry, it will not grow. Finally, the snowflake reaches the ground. It joins countless others, blanketing the landscape in a pristine white layer. This accumulation of snowflakes transforms the familiar into a winter wonderland. Freezing rain, a delicate yet formidable glaze of ice, epitomizes the intricate interplay of atmospheric conditions. While snowflakes dance their way down, creating a serene winter wonderland, another winter phenomenon, freezing rain, creates its own icy spectacle, transforming the landscape into a glistening yet hazardous scene. Freezing rain occurs when a layer of warm air is sandwiched between two layers of cold air, creating a unique weather condition. Precipitation begins as snow high in the atmosphere, where temperatures are well below freezing. As it falls through the warm layer, the snowflakes melt into raindrops, losing their crystalline structure. However, these raindrops encounter a shallow layer of freezing air just above the ground, which is crucial to the formation of freezing rain. This near-surface cold air is not thick enough to refreeze the raindrops completely, allowing them to remain in a liquid state. Instead, it supercools them, creating droplets that remain liquid even below freezing, a delicate balance of temperature and moisture. Upon contact with any surface, these supercooled droplets instantly freeze, forming a thin yet solid layer of ice. They create a treacherous glaze of ice on roads, making travel extremely dangerous and coating trees and power lines with a heavy, icy burden that can lead to power outages and broken branches. Navigating winter's grip, prioritizing safety amid its formidable challenges. Winter's beauty comes with its own set of challenges, transforming the landscape into a picturesque yet potentially dangerous environment. Snow and freezing rain can create hazardous conditions, making it crucial to prioritize safety. Roads become slippery, visibility can be reduced, and the risk of accidents increases. When venturing out in snowy conditions, dress warmly in layers. This helps to trap heat and keep you insulated against the cold. Wear appropriate footwear to prevent slips and falls. Exercise caution while driving. Proper boots with good traction can make a significant difference. Reduce speed, maintain a safe distance from other vehicles, and be prepared for icy patches. Always be vigilant and anticipate sudden changes in road conditions. Freezing rain poses a significant threat due to its ability to encase surfaces in ice. This can lead to power outages and dangerous walking or driving conditions. Just think, a half-inch of ice on power lines and tree branches can add significant weight. Ice typically weighs about 5.2 pounds per square foot for every inch of thickness. For a power line 1,000 feet in length, a half-inch of ice adds nearly 700 pounds, which could easily bring them down. Avoid driving or walking on icy surfaces whenever possible. If you must go out, take extra precautions to ensure your safety. Be aware of the potential for falling ice from trees and structures. These can cause injuries or damage to property. By staying informed about weather forecasts, heeding safety precautions, and understanding the science behind these winter phenomena, we can appreciate the beauty of snow and freezing rain while mitigating their risks. Always plan ahead and stay prepared for any winter weather challenges. Subscribe to my channel if you like the content you're seeing. As always, stay curious, my friends.